is a review of the Migiwata HSS Mini Circular Saw Blade Set. You can see it comes in this white resealable envelope. This plastic pouch holds 6 blades ranging in diameter from 22 millimeters to 50 millimeters. And the mandrel has a 6 millimeter shank. To test out the circular saw, I have a project I'm currently working on where this is a flying surfboard, and I need to mount a battery right about there up front, and in order to protect the foam, I need to cut out a little surface for the battery that's going to be a plywood surface onto which I'll mount Velcro, which will mate with Velcro on the battery. So I've used my pattern on this 1/32 inch aircraft plywood to mark out the perimeter of the rectangle that I need to cut out of this plywood. My old saw blade is this diamond tipped blade, which seems kind of worn out, and although it works, it seems to work more by burning through the plywood at high speed rather than actually sawing it. So we'll try the smallest of the blades first. This 22 millimeter blade mounted on the Dremel, and see how that works to cut out the pattern from the plywood. So I have mounted the circular saw blade to my Dremel, and I'm going to try to make these cuts on this piece of plywood. I've ensured that the direction of the rotation is in the direction that the saw blades or the teeth are pointing. And we'll try a medium speed and see how it works. And that cut seemed to go pretty well. Possibly a larger blade diameter would make it easier to make a straighter cut and reserve the smaller diameter blades for tighter curves, but it's already mounted. Let's try a faster speed and see how that works. Much better. so I'll need to file the ends or sandpaper them to smooth them out, but the cut went very well, very quickly. Definitely better than that worn out diamond tip blade I had. I guess I'll need to try some of the other size blades in the future. Compare them, try some additional speeds, but the faster speed cut much better. So the finished piece of wood cutout will be placed there. Velcro will be placed on top of the plywood. That will mate with Velcro on the back of the battery, which will sit there. And then a Velcro strap will go around the battery to secure it onto the surface so it won't drop off during flight.